In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block websites on your PC. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is actually a super simple thing to do. The first thing you will need to do is come to your browser and search for Chrome Store. Once you search for Chrome Store, you will need to click on the top search result here, which will take you over to the Chrome Web Store. And from here, what you need to do is you need to search for block website. Once you search for block website, you'll be brought to all of these search results here, and the one you need is the Smart Site Blocker, this one right at the top. Click on that and then you will need to select Add to Chrome, and then click on Add Extension. Once you click on that, it will add this extension to Chrome like you have just seen. And then if you want to block a site, what you can do is come to your extensions, and then select Smart Site Blocker. Once you do that, you can go ahead and enter in the URL that you want to block. So for this example here, what I'm going to block is Twitter. So I'm going to click on this and then paste it in, and then simply click on Save. Once I click on Save, you'll be brought to this page here, and as you can see under blocked sites, Twitter is now there. And what you need to do is you need to set up a access code. So for this example here, I will just put in 1111, and then I will click on Save. And then you can click on Don't Block, Block Always, or you can also schedule it between a certain time of the day and things like that, and on certain days of the week. But for this example here, I will leave it on Block Always. And then if I open up a new tab and then I search for Twitter, as you can see, the site is now blocked, and if I enter in my access code, what that will do is it will open Twitter as usual. And if you want to remove the block, all you simply need to do is come back to the Smart Site Blocker and then click on this little bin icon here, and then click on that, and then if I search for Twitter again, as you can see, it loads up Twitter as it usually would if it wasn't blocked. So that's how you can go ahead and block websites on your PC.